Hello everyone, today you have joined the DT Creative Elk YouTube channel. How to save a Word document as a PDF. If you find this useful, then please consider subscribing and liking the video. First of all, open up the Word document that you want to go and save as a PDF. Here is it as a PDF can make it much easier to go and share. Perhaps need to go and share it somewhere, and it needs to be a PDF. Something like that. Make sure finish working on it, and now we can go and save that as a PDF. So what you need to do is head to the top left of Word and you can go and click on File. Then come down and click on Save as on the left here. Just come over to the right slightly and you can go and click on Browse. You'll get this File Explorer pop up. Here you can come down to Save as, click there and select PDF. You can then name it what you want. I'll go and name it Finished. And I'll save it on my desktop and save it. We'll then go and open up. As you can see. But if I go and look at my desktop, here it is, and that's it. You can then do what you want to with it. If you found this useful, then please consider subscribing and liking the video.